today's video, I'll show you how to upgrade to the Enterprise Limited plan in Notion. Whether this is your first time or you just need a refresher, I'll make it simple. Start from your Notion homepage and click the settings icon in the top left corner. From here, navigate to Security. This section covers your workspace's safety and data preferences. Within Security, click Data Retention to understand how your information is managed in the Enterprise plan. Next, you will see the Upgrade to Enterprise option. Go ahead and select it. Now it's time to choose your payment frequency. You can pay monthly for flexibility or annually to save a bit over time. After that, pick your payment method. Notion supports cards, Cash App, or Google Play, so choose what's convenient for you. Finally, click the Upgrade to Enterprise Limited button, confirm your details, and you're all set. Your workspace now benefits from enhanced data management, stronger security, and advanced collaboration tools. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded to Notion's Enterprise Limited plan. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy to follow Notion guides.